How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to crack your knuckles very loud for beginners. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Please follow me on Instagram, Dylanberg999. So I'm going to show you the proper way how to crack your knuckles so you don't get hurt and you don't injure your knuckles. Because a lot of people that try to do this, you can permanently damage your knuckle if you do this incorrectly. So what you want to do is you want to take the palm, and then you want to put it right basically on the knuckle. So you're putting this palm and you're putting it right here on the knuckle. You're going to make your hand like this. Then what you're going to do, and I cannot stress this enough, you're going to do a little pull. You're going to pull your hands in slightly like this. That's it, just like that. If you feel pain associated with the cracking, if you feel pain when you're doing this, you're pushing too hard. Just like that. Now, one thing I want to talk about is the sound of cracking your knuckles. I just had a friend came over and I cracked my knuckles for probably 30 minutes. It was super, super loud. So what happens is after you've cracked your knuckles for usually it's the first or second time that you crack your knuckles is when you hear the sound. After that, you're not going to hear the sound because you've already cracked your knuckles. You need to wait about half an hour or an hour, and then you can re-crack them again. That is why mine right now are not cracking. I've already cracked them for about 15 minutes. One thing I want to say is the sound of doing it means nothing. A lot of people think the louder the sound is, then the more you're getting of a benefit for cracking your knuckles. That's not true at all. By me just doing this with no sound associated with it at all, I'm still getting all the benefits. I'm still cracking my knuckles. You just can't hear a loud sound. You can't hear my knuckles actually cracking, which is fine. You are still cracking your knuckles, you guys, even if you don't hear the sound. And that is super important because I do this all the time. I crack my knuckles for years, and I don't do it just so I can hear a loud sound or to impress people. I do it because of the benefits of cracking your knuckles. If you go online and look at the benefits, there's lots of benefits. Stress relief, tension relief in your hands. It's actually good for osteoporosis or anything with your fingers crooked, anything like that. Any bad thing associated with your hand, cracking your knuckles has many benefits, you guys. So that is how you do it. Again, palm here, right against here, and then you just give it a little push. If you feel any pain, you're doing it too hard. There should never be pain when you're doing it. End of video. Thank you so much for watching.